G'day guys, thanks for checking out our 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited Diesel. This one here has just arrived. It's a my 17 and you've got fantastic features like projector headlights. You've got little attention detail like since 1941. You got alloy wheels throughout. You've got side steps fitted onto this one. And one of the benefits on this vehicle, it does have the luxury group fitted to it. And what that does, it gives you Napa leather, so it's perforated, nice soft leather. Sunroof, and you get the seat coolers as well. Carpet mats are fitted into this one as well. It does have the window tint, black tinted finish. You've got the heated rear seats and plenty of features through the front. This actually gives you more features than the current one because you get the rear seat heaters, front seat heaters, steering wheel heater, and the seat coolers. This one's got the tow bar, up to 3.5 ton brake towing. You got the boot mat as well. Just press the button, you can close the boot up. LED tail lights, LED headlights, and loads more features. You got seat memory as well coming through inside on this vehicle. You can see it's in really good condition. It does have low kilometers as well. And when you start the vehicle up, it will come up with a feature so you can put the seat coolers on, heaters, and also this one's done 52,000 Ks with a full service history. We look forward to speaking soon.